First of all, a big personal welcome to Daniel's SQL Server Business Intelligence Training Program. This course will help you master MSBI tools like SSIS, SSRS, SSAS, and Power BI. As part of this training, you will learn data integration and creating reports, dashboards, KPIs, and cubes for faster report generation. Let's dive in. Let us start with Module 1. In this module, we discuss the concepts of data warehousing and business intelligence. You'll begin with an understanding of the terms and concepts of data warehousing and business intelligence. In upcoming modules, you will see how to implement these concepts. Moving on, jump to the Module 2. In the SSIS part of the training, you gain the skills to improve business intelligence capabilities by automating complex migration tasks and building data warehousing databases. In addition, you will learn to transform data among heterogeneous data sources, such as text files, SQL Server, Oracle, XML, ODBC, and OLE DB, and effectively and securely manage data migration across various platforms. In the SSAS part of the training, you learn how to implement both multidimensional and tabular data models and how to create cubes, dimensions, measures, and measure groups. In addition, you will also learn how to analyze SSAS data in Excel, SSRS, etc., using MDX. Moving on, jump to the next moment. In the Power BI module, you will learn how to access data from a wide range of data sources and create reports using the inbuilt visuals. You will also learn to format those visuals for maximum effect and import custom M visuals to extend your reporting capability. You will gain expertise in DX languages and then publish your masterpiece to a workspace in the Power BI service, creating dashboards, sharing reports and dashboards with colleagues, concluding with scheduling a data refresh. The total course duration is 70 hours. This is a live interactive online training program. At the same time, each training session will also be recorded and shared with students. Reach out to Daniel for the course schedule and registration. Thank you for your interest in Daniel's MSBI training program. Take care.